So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to enable WPS on Spectrum Wi-Fi 6 router. Turn on WPS and connect devices. So Wi-Fi 6 models WPS not available. These common Spectrum Wi-Fi 6 model usually do not support WPS. XSAX1V1R, XSAX1V1K and SAX1V1S. What this mean? No working WPS button on the router, no WPS option inside the app or settings. Device must be connected manually using Wi-Fi name plus password. Spectrum moderators and users report confirm WPS is removed or disabled on advanced Wi-Fi 6 router for security reasons. How to enable WPS on a Spectrum Wi-Fi 6 router? WPS let you connect devices like printers, smart TVs or cameras without typing the Wi-Fi password. Method first is enable WPS using the router button. Locate the WPS button on the Spectrum Wi-Fi 6 router, usually on the back or side. Turn on the device you want to connect and choose WPS connection in its Wi-Fi settings. Then press the WPS button on the router once. The WPS light will blink. This means pairing mode is active, about 2 minutes. Wait until the light becomes steady. Your device should connect automatically. Best for printers, smart TVs, cameras and IoT devices. Method 2 is enable WPS through Spectrum settings. Some Wi-Fi 6 router allow WPS control through settings. Open the My Spectrum app or go to the router admin page. Sign in with your Spectrum account. Go to the Wi-Fi settings, then advanced settings. Look for WPS and toggle it on. Save changes and start pairing your device. Note: some newer Spectrum router keep WPS disabled by default for security. How to connect devices using WPS? After enabling WPS, go to your device Wi-Fi settings, select WPS push button, press the router WPS button, wait for automatic connection, no password entry needed. If WPS is not working, try these quick fixes. Make sure the device support WPS, stay close to the router during pairing, restart the router and try again. Disable and re-enable Wi-Fi on the device. Check if Spectrum has disabled WPS in firmware. Common for security. Important safety tips. WPS is convenient but less secure than entering the Wi-Fi password manually. It's best to use WPS only when needed. Disable it after connecting devices if your router allow it. Thank you.